Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we will show you how Ultimate Security automatically updates your two-factor authentication email when you change your primary WordPress account email. Normally, changing your primary email might require resetting or reconfiguring your security settings. However, with Ultimate Security, your 2FA email automatically syncs with your new account email, preventing you from being locked out and keeping your workflow smooth. Ensure you have the Ultimate Security plugin installed and activated on your WordPress site before following along. We are starting from the Ultimate Security dashboard. Let's configure the email 2FA at first. To do this, hover over the Settings menu at the top, select Login and Authentication, and click on Two-Factor Authentication. This takes us to the 2FA overview page. From the left-hand menu, let's select Email OTP. To activate this feature, click the toggle switch to enable email verification. Next, click Select Roles and choose Administrator as an example for now, and click the Save Changes button. Now, let's apply this to our administrator profile. For that, move to the left sidebar, hover over Users, and select Profile. Now, scroll down until we reach the Ultimate Security section. Under Selected Method, click the drop-down and choose Email. To complete the setup and verify the email, click the button and get the verification OTP code to your email. The system displays a sending status, and a notification confirms the email has been sent. Now let's check our mailbox to find the code. We can see a new verification email from WP Ultimate Security. Let's open the message and locate the 6-digit verification code. Now copy this code and switch back to our WordPress profile tab. Click inside the verification code field and paste the OTP. A checkmark appears confirming that email verification is successfully active. Let's slightly go down and click Save Settings and click Update Profile to ensure our account settings are fully updated. Let's log out to test our newly activated 2FA configuration. On the WordPress login page, we will type in our admin credentials and click the Login button. Because 2FA is active, the system stops us and asks for a verification code sent to our current email address. Let's open our mailbox again to get the code. We can see the new verification email. Let's open it and copy the code. Head back to the login screen, paste it into the field, and click Verify. We are logged right back into the WordPress dashboard. Now, let's see what happens when we change our primary account email. You may need to change your WordPress primary email for security, for example, compromised or inaccessible old email. Now, go back to Users on the left and select Profile. Scroll down to the Contact Info section, click inside the email field, and type in our new email address. Now go down and click the Update Profile button. At the top, we can see that the email address change is currently pending until we confirm it at our new inbox. Let's open our mailbox to approve this change. We have received an email change request message. Opening the email reveals a confirmation link. Let's click the link to confirm the new address. This opens a new tab pointing back to our WordPress profile. As we can now see, the profile is updated. To double check, we can look at our inbox to see a final confirmation email confirming that our account email address has officially been switched over to our new address. Let's log out one last time to confirm that our 2FA has automatically transferred to the new email without needing a manual reset. We type in our username and password, then click Login. Look at the message on the screen. The system indicates that a verification code has successfully been sent to our new email address. Let's switch over to our mailbox to grab it. There is our new verification email. Let's open it up. See, Ultimate Security has sent the email OTP to our new email address without resetting the 2FA. Now copy it and return to the login page. As we paste the code and click Verify, we are instantly logged back into our dashboard. In this tutorial, we successfully enabled email-based two-factor authentication, updated our primary account email, and watched Ultimate Security automatically sync our security settings to the new address. This automated feature gives you absolute certainty by keeping your account fully protected without any extra configuration. Download Ultimate Security, link in the description box. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more WordPress security tutorials, and we will see you in the next video.